Hi, my name is Kara Williams and I'm an AirLight Pro ambassador. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clean your AirLight Pro filters. I love that my AirLight Pro gives me an alert when it's time to clean my filters. But if you want to stay on top of it, we recommend cleaning at least once a week. When you start to clean your dryer, you want to make sure that your device is off and unplugged. Let me show you where the two filters are. There's one at the back, and then there's also one at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take off the back one first. Even for girls with long nails like me, it's really easy to just twist and pull off. And same for the filter at the bottom, you just twist and pull down, really easy. After you remove the filter, go ahead and take off the disc. And I love to use a little color brush to take all of the extra debris out of my filter. Make sure you're careful of the white cotton pad that's inside, that stays there. After you dust all the debris, rinse, and then dry completely. You want to make sure the cotton inside is completely dry before you go ahead and put your dryer back together. And same with the bottom filter, use my color brush to remove any debris and rinse and dry completely. So as you can see, it's super easy to keep your AirLight Pro drying with the speed of light.